Hello friends, my name is Pushpendu and you are watching Excel ABCD. Today we will discuss about function maxifs and function minifs. Before starting my video, if you did not subscribe my channel yet, then please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for getting notified whenever new videos are going to publish. What is function maxifs? Excel function maxifs returns the largest value which meets one or more than one criteria in an array. I have previously discussed about function max in a video. This function is nothing but max with criteria check. Here you can use more than one criteria very easily. Okay, now we will discuss about function minifs. What is function minifs? Excel minifs function returns the smallest value which meets one or more than one criteria in an array. This function is same as maxifs, but here you will get the minimum value. Now we will go to the worksheet to learn with an example. Here I have a data of student marks. There are more two columns. One of them shows their department, which are arts and science. Another one shows their gender, male or female. Now we will see the maximum marks got by a student in arts and who is male or female. Similarly, we will see in science department also for both genders, male or female. Now again, we will learn this minifs function with similar type example. Here we will see the minimum marks got by a student in arts and who is male or female. Similarly, we will see in science department also for both genders, male or female. I hope my video was good enough to learn about the function maxifs and minifs. Next time we will meet with a new video and a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.